When I was 8 years old, I had the unfortunate experience of losing most of my vision due to macular degeneration. One of the things that drew me to studying protein dynamics is that it's something that nobody can see. That really levels the playing field for me. If we can understand how proteins fold, then we should also be able to understand how they misfold in Alzheimer's disease or how they malfunction in cancer. Folding at Home is basically a big computer cluster where people around the world volunteer to run simulations for us and send the data back to our servers. We can take problems that would have taken 500 years to complete on a single desktop and start solving them within a matter of 6 months.
It feels amazing that an ordinary person like me can help experts hopefully cure illnesses that are uncurable today.
With the current immediacy of the pandemic, we've brought the whole thing to bear on COVID-19. So over the last 2 months, we've gone from having around 30,000 to 4 million devices running Folding at Home. Microsoft has been partnering with us as we scale up in such a short period of time. GitHub started running our client on some of their hardware, and we're making use of Azure resources to run some of the large simulations. We've already uncovered a couple of these novel binding sites from the virus and are starting to delve into the structural details that provide new means to target these proteins.